Got Ricky over here with his 2016 Duramax. You guys have seen Ricky before on my channel. This truck, it was for sale in Augusta 3 to 4 years ago. This was my dream truck back then. When it was for sale, I drooled over this truck. I had my white LOI at the time. I drove by it all the time. I went to go see it. I just couldn't afford it back then. It is a lot nicer than I had anticipated. This thing's a beast. So it looks like it's got the aftermarket headlights. I'm personally not a fan of those aftermarket headlights. I think the stock ones look really good. But it's got McGoy's suspension lift. McGoy's upper control arms. It's a pretty solid looking truck. The cross member looks really similar to mine because, well, mine's a McGoy's lift too. If anybody wants to lend me $63,000, I'll come buy it next week. The more I look at this truck, I'm seriously thinking about putting myself in debt and just buying it tomorrow. Nah, but I still like my truck. You can't go wrong with this body style. And he's got it now. That's crazy. So it's got a 7-inch McGoy's lift. I'm pretty sure it's set pretty much like at 8. Do you know if it's set at 8?
It was almost even what you had before.
Okay.
Your last truck. Remember we parked?
That's true. Yeah. Okay. So this is probably set about 8, maybe. Yeah, about 8. 8-inch lift with 37s, sitting right next to my 2020 with 5-inch lift and 37s. I do have a little advantage because my tires are brand new. Probably have less than 500 miles on my tires, and you're probably on the lower end of the tread.
Yeah, I'm about to get new tires next month.
So maybe I do have like an inch of advantage from the tires, but this is a 5-inch lift versus a 7-inch lift, and I gotta say we are sitting pretty even. What do you think?
Yeah,
even?
It's almost right there.
You might be slightly taller though.
Maybe when I get new tires.
Maybe you get new tires. We'll show everybody from the front. We'll show them the front view. What up, buddy? You want to dance for us? Hard to tell.
From the front, yours looks bigger.
From the, yeah, because just that front end is just massive.
Yeah.
I might just move my truck and park right next to yours. Yeah, we'll do that. But this truck is so sick. I still love this body style. A little shout out to work for it at D-Max Rhino, because I'm telling you, Mexican people work really hard. I think it's just minorities that come to America, work super hard.
You're in the struggle, you gotta get it.
Exactly. He's about to start his truck, make me all jealous with his straight pipe. Oh yeah. That's what a real Duramax should sound like. Dang, we're even. Actually, I got him beat. I got him beat. It might just be my mirrors.
You know, the mirrors are like different, you know?
My mirrors got you beat.
We gotta get a measuring tape.
Dude, but my mirrors are just overall like longer than yours.
Yeah.
But man, do you guys want to hear what he told me when I moved my truck? He said, it's amazing how you moved your truck without even turning it on. Like, my truck's so quiet because it's not straight pipes.
It's like a Tesla.
I know. It's kind of nice though, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
But yeah, leave a comment below. Which truck is taller, mine or Ricky's? Dude, imagine my truck on a 9-inch lift though.
Massive, bro.
Right? That'd be like equivalent to this truck on a 10-inch lift.
Is that how big the lift is on the one that they did at
the show?
Yeah, North Augusta Customs.
No, that's a 9-inch lift.
Yeah, that was 9-inch lift.
Yeah, that's a 9-inch lift, yeah. But he's got 40s and he rubs a little bit. So I might just do a 10-inch lift and not have to worry about rubbing. Because in a way, I kind of don't want a super big truck. Like I want a big truck, but not like those SEMA trucks that are like 24 inches tall.
I mean,
or 24
you got
inch
the option to
wood.
do that because you got a baby driver.
That's true.
So.
That's true. And then here we have Armando's L5P.
Yeah, it's really a dirty max right now.
Yeah, it's a dirty. Wait, let me see your hat. Dirty Max. Dirty Max right there. Maybe he went muttoning in his street tires. But this is a beautiful sight, having 3 Duramaxes. No, 4 Duramaxes. So we got an L5P here, L5P, L5P, and the LML. So when we doing the turbo?
This year is coming. Everything. The rest of
This year, you got 3 days, bro.
I mean, not this upcoming year. This upcoming year.
So 2021 is the year.
Yeah, that's how I'm gonna go all out with the rest of the stuff.
All right, do you guys want me to document everything? He's gonna do the pipes, all the turbo, downpipe, and the whole thing. He's gonna completely remove the EGR because he's having issues with it. The EGR is leaking or something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just slowing his truck down, so we got to get rid of it. So what we're doing right now, what Armando's doing is he's installing rock lights on that Duramax. That's the 8-piece rock light. It's actually mine. It's my branded rock lights, and these are not mine, but these are bright. I will tell you that. You got 20 of them, right?
24.
24, good God. I only had 20 on my black truck. So yeah, this truck's probably like way brighter than my black truck, because he's got 3 in each wheel well, but he has the, I don't know if it's gonna be able to get that. Oh yeah, there we go. He has the big LEDs with like the big LED rock lights with 12 LED chips in them, something like that, 12 or 9 LED chips. But yeah, that's bright. And you got what, 8 on the underglow?
Yeah.
You have a strip?
No, it's all rock lights.
Okay.
I just place them wherever. I was trying to get rid of as many shadows as I could, but
Man, I wish there was a way to like get rid of that shadow.
yeah.
That's just like the hard part of having rock lights under the wheel well, because that's plenty bright, lighting everything up here, but trying to get rid of that shadow, it's just in such an awkward angle. It's hard.
Yeah. So
But
unless
yeah.
you got one light directed just straight.
Exactly. But yeah, that looks good. That's bright. I will tell you guys, my rock lights are bright, but seeing this, it'll probably make mine not that bright, but trust me guys, mine are bright too. But this is 20 rock lights versus 8 over there. I probably shouldn't even show people this, because it's just gonna like make mine look not bright. But these are the more expensive rock lights, if I'm trying to justify myself. And here's mine with no rock lights, but don't worry, I'm gonna do, how many you have?
24.
I'm gonna do 25. I got one up him. I'm gonna do 25. I'm just kidding, I'll probably do like 30. But I am gonna do LED strips all the way around too. Heck yeah, that's 8-piece right there. 1 in each wheel well, and it's still plenty bright. Here it is, our 8-piece rock light that we offer. This is our base kit. We have 8, 12, 20, and then 30. But yeah, I mean, for just having 8, I mean, this truck is lit up. So there's 1 in each wheel well. I mean, you can see that it's all lit up, and then the whole underside, there's 4 of them. I will say it's the placement. It's the placement king right here.
Yeah.
He did a good job of finding good placement under the truck, because it's flooding the whole truck. It doesn't have hot spots. It doesn't have areas where it just, you see a lot of LEDs. It's just really flooded. It looks really good. Good job, brother.
Thank you.
And the installation was perfect. He used wire looms, and I mean, you can't even it goes along with factory wires. And the switch, I'll have to show you guys where the switch is, because if we don't tell the owner where the switch is, he'll never find it, which is kind of a good thing.
Apparently he did have all kind of wires tucked up under here.
Yeah, so that's his other switches, which we're not really sure what they go for, but I guess that's the base knob. But Armando switch is right there. That's not his wire. I think that's the speaker wires. But yeah, look at that. Look at that placement. That's perfect. Elite Innovations. That'd be cool if you had that like lit up.
Yeah,
Right?
I'm gonna put an LED strip behind it.
Heck yeah.
Red.
Red. That'd be sick.
With a light on top. A white LED on top.
That'd be sick. All right, Dustin. The thing is, we're not gonna tell you where your switch is. You gotta find it.
All right, I'm gonna find it. Oh, don't tell me, don't tell me.
Oh, we're not gonna tell you. I don't think he's gonna find it.
You got about a minute more to find it, if not the install doubles.
I'm sure. Come on, now, you can't make it hard for me. It's gotta be easy to put it on.
Oh, real hot.
No, it's
real hot,
easy. It's easy.
Yeah.
Real hot. Oh, even scalding hot. Oh.
Like the placement is perfect.
No.
Okay, hotter. Hotter. Warmer.
Wait a
No,
minute.
colder.
Come on now.
Colder.
It's gotta be like.
Cold, cold.
Cold. That's way cold.
All right, we should tell them.
We should tell him.
Wait a minute.
Right,
Wait.
nope.
All right.
Right, yep.
There you go.
Oh.
Heck yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, that's good. Got it.
Nice and tucked up. You still able to reach it?
Still be able to reach it?
I told him you should have gotten like 20. But dude, that's not bad for 8.
It's not bad for it at all. And you put it like a little farther to where it don't
Yeah.
catch a shadow.
So at first, how you had the other ones,
Yeah,
it was mounted right here.
Yeah.
So your whole light hit the tower and then it stayed there.
Yeah.
But now that it's pushed back some more, it actually disperses that way and this way.
Gotcha. You a little dirty, huh?
Yeah.
Working
Been at
man.
it all day.
What's my seen this guy? He always
Yeah.
got some dirt on him.
I know, and it's
Always
that
working.
GM frame grease.
Yes.
Man. This is the guy. Anything to do with diesel, this guy is the guy.
Heck yeah.
I trusted him the first time on your recommendation.
Heck
on
yeah.
Facebook post.
Do I get a referral?
It's like I see when you commented on the post.
Yeah.
On the Duramax forum, and he said his name and his shop.
Yeah.
I said, just call Armando for anything you need.
Yeah.
Looking
I don't
for
even
shop.
remember that, to be honest.
I'm gonna let you find it. It's like the
'Cause
guy
I-
had the.
Because I refer him so much, I don't even remember which one it
the
was.
picture where the guy was in Denny's Diesel's garage.
Oh,
He was-
Donnie.
He was putting I think the thermostat thing for the transmission.
It was a
cooler.
black truck, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a black
Yeah, that's
truck.
my friend Donnie.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That was the
okay.
post. Yeah, that was the post where I got it off of.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go back and read that
So I was
comment.
looking, dude. I was looking
Yeah.
to find a guy to be able to do the work on my truck, and
Did you say something like near Georgia or South Carolina or something?
near Augusta.
Near Augusta.
Near Augusta.
Okay, that's right.
Near Augusta. And like,
Makes sense.
Hey man, I was trying to find a guy bad, man. I wanted the work done, and he got it done.
Yeah. Cool rock lights, and your truck's a little faster now.
It's a little faster. A
Just-
little,
yeah.
a
Cold,
little,
it's crazy what a cold air intake did.
yeah, cold air did.
K&N filter, man, huge difference.
Yeah, man. It's a little bit lighter too, right?
Maybe.
500 pounds lighter.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice, man. But this thing right here, this thing outbeats me any day of the week. Come on,
No,
man.
this truck's way quicker than mine.
Why you say that, man? You want to put it to the test?
No, my truck's still stock.
Oh man, you never know, man.
Not that yours isn't stock or anything.
It's a pretty good truck.
Yeah.
I mean, the amount of work I did to it, I think I'm enjoying it.